the famous storage.
We are at the storage.
What you getting out of there?
It's gender reveal day.
Gender reveal.
We need to find anything baby, pink, blue, white, cupcake holders.
What are we doing today, guys?
What are we doing today, guys?
What are we doing? Tell me.
We're going to gender reveal.
A gender reveal?
Yeah.
What is that?
It's called a store.
The store? What is a gender reveal? Are we gonna find out what the baby is?
Yes.
Is that the baby? Do we have the baby already?
No.
What? Mama had the baby?
No.
Are you kidding me?
It's my child.
That's your child. You ain't got no kids.
Yes, I do.
What is it gonna be, Casey?
A baby.
But what kind of baby? Is it
Girl or boy? Girl.
gonna be? Okay.
Girl.
What? What's it gonna be?
A boy. Even got pink clothes.
Pink clothes.
And blue.
Y'all baby's fresh. Y'all got money. Man.
No, we got these from Morgan.
Y'all got good money.
Yes, we do got good money.
What mama doing? She getting ready?
Where's the lion? I want to see the lion.
About to make this thing into something.
Yes, we are.
I'm wearing pink today. Don't mind the words. Because I know what it's going to be, so.
No, a boy had two boys.
I think it's a boy.
In case gonna be
That's what
a
I'm
girl.
hoping.
I hope it's a girl. Hello. It's a girl. If it's a girl, I will be jumping all over the place. I want to see lion.
We need a backdrop art,
Oh man.
Ooh.
and we need pink
Moana.
and blue balloons.
Moana, sister.
We need that ice chest, right?
The storage and they pink already. So we're going to have to make it work. I don't know what life is trying to tell us, but it sure ain't saying boy today. Everything pink.
It was already pink. Look, we
Is
got
this
some
planned?
blue. This is what you call improvising, doing stuff last minute. Okay, we should have already had this
I
done.
ain't seen nothing in here pink. I mean blue. So wish me luck.
I thought I had a pink one of these. Here you go.
Yeah,
Here goes some
the
blue.
baby's blue.
We getting blue.
Here we go. We all loaded up. We got what we got. Off to the next adventure. Where you headed to now?
I'm gonna go to Sam's to pick up the cupcakes and a couple other things, the fruit tray. You are gonna go to Home Depot to get baby blue paint.
Okay. Well, off to our next adventure.
Love you.
Of you. What y'all doing?
Want me like I want you, baby. Don't you need me like I need you now?
All right, looks like y'all babies get to go to Home Depot with me.
All you gotta do is just meet me.
So y'all better be on y'all best behavior.
Seatbelts
on. Let's go. All right, we are headed to Home Depot to get some paint so we can paint a backdrop. Try to get this boy out.
Girl.
So put some boy luck in there and see what we do. And here we are. We about to find that blue. Y'all looking for the wrong colors. We're here for blue, not pink.
No, I want blue. I want a blue.
Yeah. She's making a special blue to introduce y'all baby brother. It's coming out. It's about to come out. Thank you. Thank you. Y'all see it? That's that special color. This is what we got.
Yeah,
Oh, is it gonna work? Huh?
Look at me, girl.
I don't know. I'm starting to think it's gonna be a boy. Here, I'm gonna give this to Casey. You gonna hold it, Mr. Casey?
By the look of y'all's
Don't
faces.
drop it. All right, ma'am. Are you gonna scan it? Do you know how to do it?
Yeah. I want to do it.
All right, put it back. That's good.
I want to do it.
Here, hold this.
Can I have this? I want to get something.
All right, I've made it to the park. Now I gotta unload all this extra. But this is the park. This is where we gonna be doing the gender reveal. So I'm about to get started. I still gotta paint, do all the dirty work. But here we go. All right, we got it going. Pink, white, and blue. Cheek is here to save the day because I didn't know what I was doing. But it is she left us out here, so here we go. Well, this is the backdrop. Yep, it's almost that time. So what are we having, Casey?
A party.
A party?
Oh, there you she got a baby bed.
Okay.
Can you put it in the car?
It's a party.
Are we having a boy or a girl?
Boy.
Boy, all right, the verdict is in. All right, let's go ask your sisters. All right, Cambry, what is it, he or she? What will it be? She said a boy.
It's gonna be a she.
A boy,
It's gonna be a girl.
a girl. All right, y'all got the wrong answers today, but it's all
That is a
good.
boy.
You got the right answer.
No.
You got the right answer. Boy, what I'm having, man?
Oh, you got a boy, bro.
You got the shirt, you know, football player. All right, Coco. Time for your answer. What are we having?
Boy.
A boy?
Boy.
All right, I see. I think you got it right.
It's a boy with my intuition. So, I mean, that way it would be an evenly divided house. I love you.
Your T Keisha, period. Best T ever. After T. And I think you are a boy.
Okay, team boy.
What
What you think? What you think, little mama? Team girl, let me see. Do you like me? I think you do. Hello. How are you? Thank you for coming. So are we team boy or team girl?
Healthy baby.
Okay, same. Team healthy baby. Hello, Washingtons.
Team boy.
What are we?
Team boy.
Team boy, okay. I'm with it. Hello, Coach Jada. Are we team boy or team girl?
Team boy.
Oh, team boy. Team boy is winning. Yes, what team are you on? Team boy is winning right now.
Oh, good.
What? Yeah, she said boy. Wait, Jizzy, do you want me to have a girl or a boy?
Jizzy, you want a girl or a boy?
A boy. Y'all must have talked about this.
We would like to see something different.
Hello, ladies. How are y'all? Okay, what team are we? Team girl. Team boy.
Team girl.
Team girl, and y'all dressed the part. Team boy. Okay, let's see. What team are you? Girl? Okay. What about us? Over here, Blake and Cam?
I'm team girl.
You team girl? Oh, Lord. Okay, maybe we got another team boy.
Team boy.
Team boy, cute. Hey, Casey. Are you team boy? Or team girl? Huh?
Team boy.
Team boy? You want a brother? I thought you wanted a little sister. Look at me. You want a little sister?
I do.
You do? Or you want a little brother?
With a sister.
Oh, so now you team girl? You don't know what you are. Boy or girl? What is mommy having? A what?
Baby shirt.
A baby?
Yeah.
Is my baby a boy or a girl? Ah, it is. Hey, are we team boy or team girl? Oh Lord, team boy is winning. Hey, Journey. Are you team girl?
No, boy.
You wait. Tatum, are you team girl? Say yes. Or team boy?
Say boy.
That's so funny. Look at my people. Everybody waiting on the reveal. Daddy done went to the restroom. Like, how does that go? I can't even make this up. We all ready. Are we ready in the back? Are we ready?
Yes.
Hold that back up. It look like it's... Oh, there he goes. You done throwing up? He getting nervous.
Self in the kitchen.
If it's a girl, get ready for the tea parties. A girl, get ready for the pink Barbies. A girl, make sure that her heart is guarded. Cause a girl sometimes can become a target. So boy, make sure you and him play catch. So boy, make sure y'all have a talk about sex. So boy, make sure he treat a woman with respect. Forgive, forget, never regret, and protect. What is gonna be, a king or a queen? What is gonna be, blue or pink? Whatever you get, just know that it's a blessing. God don't give us what we want, he give needs. Love her or love him, every decision is made for them. God should be the only one you put above him. When you hold him in your hand, I swear you can't unlove them. Love her or love him, every decision is made for them. God should be the only one you put above him. When you hold